Hi, my name is Suzanne Medina, and I'm one of the instructors here at Ames Education. Today with my student, we are going to be doing some passive range of motion exercises with our patient in the PCT lab. Okay, so when you're providing passive range of motion care for a patient, you could start with the lower limb. You're gonna lift up, protecting and supporting the leg. That's one. You're gonna ask the patient how they're doing, if they're comfortable, if anything hurts them while you're providing the care. This is two. And you're gonna go one more. And three.
Okay. So I'll support. Okay.
Very good.